Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start now. Power on the Samsung washer and make sure the drum is empty. Locate the control panel, dial model's label program, touch displays show menu. Once ready, press and hold the temp or delay start button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the display blinks or shows settings. This toggles the clock/time mode on most Samsung machines. You do this because the same button sequence signals the machine to switch from cycle selection to clock adjustment, saving time. Once in clock mode, adjust the hour first. Press the temp, spin, or plus/minus buttons to increase or decrease the hour value. Make sure to watch the AM/PM indicator if your model uses 12-hour format. Some machines offer a 24-hour toggle through settings. Next, move to minutes using the same buttons or arrows on touch panels and confirm each digit so the time stays accurate. You do this because precise time keeps delay start and cycle completion predictions reliable for planning laundry. To finish, press start/pause or the clock/set button to save the new time. The display should stop blinking and return to the main screen. If the time does not save, unplug the washer for 30 seconds to reset electronics, then repeat the same hold and adjust sequence. For smart or Wi-Fi models, make sure the machine is connected to the SmartThings app. Once synced, the app can override and sync clock settings. If problems persist, power cycle and check for firmware updates before calling service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.